this could be a great avenue down the road for fellow truck drivers who are not able to maybe make it to a house of worship on Sundays. You know, God tells us, forsake not the assembly of the church, right? So, you know, there's some of us who have to work these jobs at crazy hours in order to provide for our families, but we still want to be obedient to what God has told us. So this could be an avenue for you just to hear a word, even if it's not a full message, but just hear something biblical that may increase your faith or help you carry out the day. Because it does get very mundane out here. It's very tiresome, you know, and it's really, really frustrating at times. And it takes a lot out of you to be able to drive this truck for 10 hours out of the day. You know, we're constantly on alert for different things. We're watching for ourselves, we're watching for the trailer, we're watching for the four wheels around us. So, you know, it really takes a lot. You know, driving is a very hard job, although a lot of people do not realize that. I know when I first started, my wife, she did not understand how I could come home from driving and be so tired. So I had to explain it to her. So, you know, so I encourage anyone that has a passion to be involved in the ministry, do not let your full-time occupation hold you back from that. You know, there's tons of work to be done in the kingdom of God. There's tons that we can do to spread the gospel, to let people know that God is still living, He's still alive, you know, that He's able today to do what He did over 2,000 years ago. You know, if we just allow Him to come in. You know, we have taken Jesus, we have taken God out of so much of today's society, and we're becoming lost. And as Christians, we've got to stand up. We've got to stand up, and we have to be bold about what we believe. You know, how can we believe that as Christians we would not be talked about, we would not be persecuted, we would not be ridiculed or humiliated or any of those things, as Jesus Himself had to endure that? Think about it. God sent His Son, His only Son, to walk this sin-filled earth. Why? To be a living example to us being Christians, the body of Christ, of what it is to truly walk for God. Because Jesus really sold out for His Father. He was about His Father's business, right? So if He had to go through the things that He went through, how dare us feel like we should be able to walk through this earth and have it easy peasy? It's not going to happen. It's just not. So, yes, I do work. I am a pastor, but this is just another platform to reach people, hopefully, that I would normally not be able to reach stand inside the four walls of our church. The Bible tells us go out to the highways, the hedges and the byways. You know, we're supposed to go out and plant a seed, you know, not that we be glorified, but that God be glorified. You know, the Bible says one planet, one water, God gets the harvest, right? So this is my way of just planting the seed. I don't know who I will reach, how I will reach them, you know, what the benefit may come from it, but I do know that God is able. And so I'm just going to be completely obedient to the Word, and I'm just going to follow what God has for me, and you know, and then I'm just going to just continue to trust and believe in Him. And right now I'm going to have to go ahead and jump off here. As you can see ahead of me, they've got this road completely closed, and so I'm going to have to get on the horn with my dispatchers, let them know what's going on, let them know that I'm going to have to turn around, and then I'll be able to take another route in order to get to where I gotta go. But I just want them to know that I'm possibly gonna be late. This officer, I don't know if he's calling us for it or not. But so therefore I can do that. So God bless you all. Brother, thank you so much for that question. I hope I answered it. And I will definitely stay tuned in to your videos. Man, I love what you're doing. Keep it up. We need more men to stand up and to not be ashamed of what God is doing in the life of us, because we are truly living in rough times. Our sons need us, our daughter needs us as men. For so long, our wives, our queens have held the helm. They have taken control of the helm. They have taken control of the wheel. They have ran the churches, but no more. God said it's time for us as men to stand up and to fill that void, to take the place that He's already ordained for us. So, brother, thank you so much for that question. Thank you for your videos. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.